to look at matters on an individual basis in a forecasted test period is not appropriate, because if you're looking at allegations, those are simply allegations. Those are not proven allegations. In your hypothetical, Mr. Chairman, where you said it was Smith versus LG&E, and that there's some allegation that the commission finds to be problematic, that's all it is an allegation. It is not established until that case goes through the court process and is determined. Allegations are made in complaints all the time, but that's all that they are. That is not evidence in and of itself that provides any substantial evidence, any credible evidence that meets the legal residuum test for any type of disallowance. A mere allegation in a complaint does not rise to that level. It is simply notice pleading.
But I just want to make clear, you're arguing about the reasonableness of evidence or the presentation, that the company has met its burden of proof pursuant to it. That is a separate evidentiary issue as far as I'm concerned. My question is what the law requires, right? The assertion was that the commission's actions in denying the entirety of the amounts, right, in absence of individual amounts, or the ability to make a determination that some lesser amount based off additional evidence or evidence that's in the record was arbitrary. And my question is, if the assertion is that it's arbitrary because the two amounts are not mutually exclusive, under what Kentucky law is that decision arbitrary to make an adjustment of the entire amount without the benefit or opportunity or evidence to make a lesser adjustment?
The record provides the commission the opportunity to make a lesser adjustment. The commission can't look at the first test line for this, which is the base period update. That is the direction the General Assembly gave the commission when it provided the utilities the right to use this forecasted test period. And we provide a base period set of information at the time the application is filed, and that can be compared with the forecast to see what differences there are. And then we also provide a full base period update for the 12-month period in this case, in February of 21. And that base period can be compared to the forecast to see if the forecast is excessive, really high, or low compared to the actual. And based on that, the commission can make a judgment as to the legal expense. The commission can make a judgment based on the legal expense based on the historic current